Hey everybody and welcome. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. Today we're going to do an unboxing of these shoes. This is a pair of Patrio Adelaides and this beautiful hatch grain leather. Just really excited to show these to you and talk a little bit about the experience of the acquisition process.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and our channel we talk about men's dress wear. It's all about footwear, and we talk about unboxing videos, general shoe knowledge, helping you understand the industry and what's happening with your shoes. We look at shoes critically to determine whether or not they're worth the price that they charge. We compare shoe to shoe to understand which one is the best of the same category, and then I interview experts in the field to get their take as well. Check out my playlists to see all my videos.
This is an unboxing of Patrio shoes. Now if we take a look, this is a corduroy shoe bag, which I'm pretty excited about. Alright, and here are the shoes. This is a very cool maker that's in the Philippines. Those. Alright, and what else do we have here? Oh, look at this. There's spare laces and a bone shoehorn, which is very nice. Now, I had actually looked at the one shoe ahead. And so this is actually knotted, so I have to do it. See, they have like a wooden dowel around the thing. So these do not come with trees. Here's the other shoe. Okay. Now, you know, a lot of the companies, you know, are so big that they have a lot of, you know, prefab stuff, like the packing that goes into the shoes and stuff. These guys are pretty small. I think they said, he told me that I'm one of his first exports customers, if not the first. And so as we look, you know, he had pieces in there to kind of keep the shoe together, but it was all different. He didn't have toe plates in stock, nor could he order them, so he actually got a piece of brass and he made it for the shoe. So I thought that was pretty cool. And again, this is just a different way, and we'll get to the rest of the video now. Come back. So, you saw the unboxing. This is, again, this is Patrio shoes. They're out of the Philippines. Relatively small outfit. I've been putting some work in progress things along the way, and I'm going to include some of the work in progress photos in this video. But here I want to just spend some time. I actually put this in there. It's just a potpourri pack from my St. Crispin's. It just makes the shoes smell a little nicer after being in a box shipping around the world here for a while. But these are the shoes. Now, these are, I think I haven't tried them on yet. Sorry. You can see here, he's got a combination heel on here. He also painted the heels. That was actually a question that he asked me if I wanted. And I said that I did, and he added a lot of this adornment here, which is really, really nice. You know, very similar in look to bespoke makers that I've seen. Now, something you should know about this brand is pretty darn small. He told me that he hand sews the soles and all of the different pieces to it because he doesn't have machines yet. So, you know, it's really an up-and-coming brand, and so as you look at the quality of this, you know, that's really something to keep in mind. You know, the quality of the leather, I asked for Hiro hatch grain leather, which is what this is. He made a trial pair to make sure that he had all of the sewing and everything down first so that he wouldn't ruin the leather. You know, as a small shoemaker, he doesn't have the ability to make a mistake and then just start again, right? So once he's got the final leather, he's really got to be careful with it. He did an angular Adelaide here. So it so it has more of a kind of a square U at the bottom, and then like my Carmina's, it kind of goes out and the top line connects with the U throat back here instead of up here, which I think is cool. You know, he did a lot of really, really nice things. I got to choose the medallion, which is a really nice medallion. I'm very happy with it. So I'll take some close-up pictures that I'll put in here as well. You know, there's a single sock liner on this. There is a little bit of a heel pad, which is nice. And candidly, this fiddleback waist is absolutely worth it, all by itself. Now, you know, so this is a hand welted Goodyear welt. So that means that he took the Goodyear welt process, and I'm assuming he glued the gemming on. I didn't ask, so that'll be something that I'll ask as my clarification here. But I'm assuming he glued the gemming on, and then he sewed the rest of it. So it's a great opportunity to try a new brand, and I can't wait to wear the shoes and to let you all know what they feel like. But he's got a really nice imprint of his logo on the sole, and I mean, I am so impressed by that. I'm so impressed by this. Overall, the shoes are just fantastic. You know, I was looking at his Instagram when I first started looking at the brand, and I thought that, you know, his shoes came in wooden boxes, and you know, he actually bought a paper box for me to ship it because he wanted to save on shipping, and shipping was a lot. Shipping was a third of the price of the shoes, but it's I'm just so thrilled with the shoes that I don't even care. And candidly, what am I going to do with another box? So I have this this box that it came in, which is a really high quality, you know, cardboard box. So I am very happy with that. And he of course did the logo on it, which is nice as well. But there's no stickers or anything. You know, he doesn't have a box system in order to ship the shoes, so they came in like a creamery box, which I think is great too. I mean, it really illustrates buying from a smaller emerging brand. And that's what I really like about this. I really just feel great about supporting his business and you know, getting the opportunity to try shoes that candidly, if I hadn't reached out to him, if he hadn't joined the Emerging Brands group on Facebook, you know, which I moderate, I would never have had the opportunity to try this. And I'm super excited to try the shoes and to wear the shoes and hopefully give him some exposure so that he can continue to grow his business. So this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. Today is Christmas Eve. For those of you who celebrate it, Merry Christmas. For those of you who are not celebrating it, you know, Happy Kwanzaa. I hope that those of you who had a nice Hanukkah last week, and for anyone else, and everyone, please, a happy, healthy, and safe New Year. I'm absolutely grateful for all of you and the way that this YouTube channel has developed over the past year. I'm super excited to do it. It's a lot of fun, and hopefully we can continue to grow it and build the content together. So thank you. Have a great day. So as we look at the shoes, there's you know, I've got a bunch of different angles here. You know, the quality really of the leather really comes through very well. I obviously need to wear them, and I need to be able to tell you like long term kind of what my feelings are. He did a nice job polishing them before they came to me. So you know, unlike other new shoes, they don't need to be polished out of the box. And candidly, after the article I just read from Justin Fitzpatrick, I don't know that I want to polish new shoes out of the box. Although I think that these are obviously fine. You know, he did some really fantastic work on the sole. Some of the details that he added were just fantastic. This looks a lot like one of the bespoke makers that I know in Japan is doing, you know, with soles, and just a really classic approach to the way he's going about this. And he called me and he asked me, he's like, hey, do you want me to paint the soles? Do you want them to be different? And we talked about it and decided, yeah, we'd like to paint them. And this is what he came up with. You know, I'm super impressed. You know, he gets inspired and he runs with it. So what's not to like? So hey everybody, this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and this is a sound check to see whether or not my new microphone actually works and provides better sound control. I'm also using a new camera. This is a webcam, but it's a 1080p webcam, so hopefully it's a little bit better. I'm going to do my best not to look at my computer because obviously the webcam over there is different and disabled.